Skullcandy Method 540 ANC Earbuds Review and How to Use Guide. Worth buying. In this video, we're taking a complete look at the Skullcandy Method 540 ANC Earbuds. We'll cover the key features, show you how to set them up and use them, and help you decide whether they're worth buying. Let's start with what makes these earbuds stand out. The Method 540 ANC features sound by Bose, adjustable active noise cancellation, stay-aware mode, Bluetooth 5.3, multi-point pairing, Google Fast Pair for Android, customizable EQ settings, and support for the Skullcandy app. They also include 12 drivers, an IPX4 water-resistant rating, and up to 40 hours of total battery life with ANC turned off, or up to 32 hours with ANC enabled. A quick 10-minute charge provides around 2 hours of playback. Now let's set them up. Open the charging case and remove both earbuds. They automatically power on and enter pairing mode the first time they're used. On your phone, enable Bluetooth, select Method 540 ANC from the list of available devices, and complete the pairing process. For additional features, download the Skullcandy app. The app lets you customize touch controls, adjust the active noise cancellation level, enable stay-aware mode, create a custom 5-band EQ, switch between preset sound profiles, update firmware, and manage advanced features such as multi-point pairing and Skull AI compatibility. To get the best fit, try the included ear gels and fit fins in different sizes. The earbuds should fit snugly without causing discomfort. A proper seal not only improves sound quality, but also makes active noise cancellation much more effective. Using the earbuds is simple. The touch controls allow you to play or pause music, skip tracks, answer or end calls, activate your phone's voice assistant, and switch between ANC and stay-aware mode. You can also use either earbud independently in solo mode while the other remains in the charging case. When it's time to recharge, place the earbuds back into the charging case. The case recharges the earbuds automatically, and using the supplied USB-C cable keeps the case ready for your next listening session. Now let's talk about performance. The Method 540 ANC delivers a secure, comfortable fit with rich bass and clear overall sound thanks to its Bose tuning. The active noise cancellation performs well for everyday commuting, office use, and travel, although it doesn't quite match the very best premium ANC earbuds. Call quality is also solid thanks to the Clear Voice smart mic system, so are they worth buying? If you want comfortable earbuds with powerful bass, reliable battery life, adjustable ANC, excellent app support, and a secure fit for workouts or daily use, the Method 540 ANC is a strong choice. However, if your highest priority is industry-leading noise cancellation or completely neutral studio-style audio, you may find better options at a higher price. Here's a pro tip. After pairing your earbuds, immediately update the firmware through the Skullcandy app. Firmware updates often improve connectivity, battery performance, and overall stability while unlocking the latest features. And that's our complete review and user guide for the Skullcandy Method 540 ANC Earbuds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more honest tech reviews and setup guides, and let me know in the comments which earbuds you'd like me to review next.